All right, guys. Wow, 400 ticks today, banging the close using nothing more than volume. Okay, let's get into it, folks. First things first, happy October. Today is officially the start of what I think is going to be the most explosive and most volatile sequence of trading over the next 2 months. Okay, I'm convinced that the months of October and November are going to give us 400, 500 tick days pretty much every day, and hopefully exactly like we saw today. So let's get into the anatomy of a profitable trade and what it looks like. All right, and I'm going to do my best, guys and gals, to dumb it down for you. I promise you this is something that I call stupid simple, because I'm going to show you a trading system that even your 6-year-old could master in one day. And it all starts with volume. All right, folks. Now, what is volume? Well, volume is a graphical interface that layers onto your chart that can tell you what is the prevailing trend or direction of the market. And you only have two options, right? When the volume is flushing down, aka when the sellers are in control, right? You're going to see large institutional sellers pushing the market down, right? That's why we draw a red color band change right here at this moment in time, telling you that there's a better chance than not, based on volume, that the market's going to start trending down. And yep, you guessed it, when we flip it around, okay, when volume is able to detect that large traders are hitting the ask and they want to get into the market at any possible price, then yep, you guessed it, we turn this volume indicator green. And when it turns green, it tells you that there's a better chance than not that the market's now going to start trending up. Make sense, guys and gals? I mean, that is it. If you can't teach this to a 6-year-old, and more importantly, if you can't master this in one day, I'd be shocked. All right? Because at the end of the day, folks, what I've been able to do is create a simple, okay, simple, not complicated volume indicator. This is simple to the point of being color-coded. When it turns red, think about looking for shorts. When it turns green, think about looking for longs. But of course, that's not where we stop, right? We want to pick off high probability and low risk setups that is going to hopefully allow us to print a cash printing machine, okay, so that we can try to grab 400, 500 ticks every single day. Now let me dial you in to how we accomplish that, all right? So let me really get you guys dialed into the color change, all right? So you can quite clearly see that right here, okay, the color transition from red into green, all right on this bar over here. Make sense? So the only thing that we're doing when the volume tells us that the trend has changed, all right, from this moment in time, there's a new trend that's been identified, we then want to start playing it to the long side. And this is specifically and exactly how we do it. And this is a pattern that I've been teaching my customers and clients for years with a shocking degree of success. Watch. When you see the color change, all right, you do not randomly rush in and go long. Instead, you have to and you must wait for the price to pull back, and give you one of these. All right, folks, this is called a retracement within the context of a trend, and just trust me, this is the most powerful and, in my opinion, most profitable chart pattern of all time if you can master it. All right, this is the official signal to go long this market. Right? So we would look to go long this market on the open of the next bar. Our stop loss would get placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips underneath the signal bar's low, right? And from that point on, guys and gals, you just let the market do the heavy lifting and the dirty work for you. Okay, so let me just go ahead and fit this back to scale. Show you how to manage this trade, all right? And of course, you can obviously see how this trade played out. I mean, this market just surged for 400 ticks straight up. Okay? And look, folks, here's the reality of professional trading, right? You don't know in advance that at this exact moment in time, right, you have no idea that the market's about to trend. But you want to know what you do have, right? What you do have is a super high probability entry. Okay, and that's what makes this system so valuable and, in my opinion, so profitable, because so many traders struggle with the entry. So many traders also struggle with where to place the stop loss. And yep, you guessed it, so many traders struggle to stay in the entire length of these trends, right? And so what I've been able to do is put together a comprehensive professional trading solution and system that will not only help you identify super high probability turning points, but also help you stay in this trend by keeping the volume band green, 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 green. As long as the trend is intact, you're going to see the color band stay the same color. And what took place today in the market using this volume indicator is exactly why my customers and clients crushed it today. So again, happy October. I think this month is going to be the most profitable month of the entire year. I'm expecting this market to go absolutely crazy, and I cannot wait to see if we're going to grab another 400 ticks tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.